Okay, second video for the night. I do have a woodworking project video that I've got sitting on the hard drive right now, and I've got to get that edited together and all the good stuff that goes with it. But this ended up coming in the mail. This is a Blue Sun merch crate. This is now what the Firefly cargo crates are being called. So anyway, this one, I believe that the theme for this one is supposed to be Shindig, if I remember correctly. It's been forever since we've received a cargo crate from these folks. So I mean, the sticker here says "I love my captain," so I'm pretty sure that's Kaylee. But like I said, somebody said a long time ago, I think, or maybe I read it, I don't know. Somebody said it's supposed to be Shindig. Let's dig in and find out if I can figure out how to dig in here. Here we go. Alrighty, so usual stuff. Crack it open and let's see what we get. So, oh, this is gonna be pretty. Little Damn Heroes, Kaylee Fry in her Shindig dress. So let's get this cracked open and eyeballed just to see what it looks like. See, I've still got this one standing by. So there we go. I think you can see her. So all right, let's see what this looks like here. Oh wow, this is very nice. Get this opened up. Oh yeah, yeah. There you go. One Kaylee in her dress with a strawberry. So, yeah, that's very nice. I like that. It really, again, I think that does a great job of capturing the spirit of the character. So that's pretty. I like that. Almost as well as I like the first figure, her first figure in her overalls with the umbrella. But that is very nice. That's a hit. That's solid right there. Let's see if I can get it back in the box though. Oh, come on, you can do it. I'm gonna put you away for now. Just hang loose. Okay, there we go. Okay. I gotta find a place to display these. I gotta do something. So I may end up having to make a shadow box or something down the road here. So let's see what else we got. Okay, we got a t-shirt. And Danger. We have Danger, terrifying space monkeys. I have to be honest, I don't get it. I don't remember the line coming up anywhere. So, yeah, anyway. All right, see what else we got. Ooh, this is heavy. We'll take a look at this last. Oh, now these are cute. Patches. So if you're doing Kaylee cosplay, there you go. It's her patch set. And let's see. Is that what we got here? Yep, I was right about that. The theme is Shindig, and this lists everything we get, including a Kaylee's Room button, which again I think is really, I think it's really cute. It's really nice. So let's see what else we got. We got an I Love My Captain sticker, an extra one, and we get a shot glass, and I don't know how well you can see that. The background is a little jacked up on it, sorry, the background's a little jacked up. There you go. You can probably get a good view. Kaylee with her umbrella on one side and everything shiny captain on the other side. So, yeah. So, cheers. So, another shot glass to add to my collection. Not that I had that many shot glasses. So, yeah, just a touch thin, I think. I liked everything that came in the crate this month. And, this time, because they're definitely not getting these things out on any kind of timely basis right now. We'll see what happens. I don't know how long it's going to be until they get the next one out. So, but I do like what came with it. Although again, I don't get the flying monkeys, the terrifying space monkeys thing. See if it includes anything here. Wonder what's hell's going on in the engine room. Well, here there are monkeys, terrifying space monkeys that maybe got loose. Wear this T as a warning. Okay, I can do that. So, alrighty. So with that, I gotta figure out what to do with all my stuff, and we will go from there. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this up and edited and posted, and I will talk to you later. Bye.